What's up, guys? Mike here. Today I got another stock for you guys, and this stock is pretty much getting ready to be bought. It's pretty much almost time to just start building your position and getting in and go crazy and add and watch it flow upwards again, especially because this sector has been beaten down pretty badly the last few weeks, if not even the last month. So this stock is going to be a very fun play, and of course that stock is none other than Rocket Company's ticker symbol RKT. Now I'm sure you guys know I've traded this stock several times from all the videos you can see in the past. I've probably traded this stock at least 10 to 20 times already, and I want to do it again because it is just ripe and ready to be peeled like a banana and ready to go. And today was a great close it had. The end of the day was a pretty bullish close, and I think it is pretty much getting ready to be bought right back up. And we are going to go over everything you need to know about this stock. We're going to go over the charts. We're going to go over some technical analysis. We're going to go over some buy targets, sell targets, and all the shebang and shilada, as much as details I can give you in a very short time span. So I don't want to waste too much time. With that said, guys, make sure you always smash that like button, hit subscribe, check out my Patreon page. We are making some crazy moves here and there, and I would love to have you guys join us and make some 10 to 30% return on your money with the rest of us. So check out the Patreon group. Link can be found in the description box below. Anyways, with that said, guys, let's begin. Yeah. Guys, let's just jump into the video right away with Rocket Company's ticker symbol RKT. As you can see, the past few days, Rocket Company has been on a massive downtrend. The last time we traded this, we called this right under 17. I had my shares at 16.9, and I finished selling all of it around 21 to 22.4, around there. That's when I unleashed and sold all my shares. It did go up a few dollars more after that, but we are not trying to time the top. We are trying to time as much return as we can. All right. So anyways, right now the stock is trading pretty much close to the levels we bought last time. Today it did have a nice bullish close, which is exactly what we want to see, right? We want to see these closes, but it was a very weak bullish close, if I would have to say so. We need this stock to trade a little bit sideways for the next few days in order for us to jump in. I'm not going to tell you guys to jump in right away, but I do see this as a clear, solid support level for now, right? As long as it doesn't break this support level, this can go easily down to around between $16 to $17. I want to start adding my shares below $17 to feel a lot more safer, right? I do see this stock trading around the $16, $17 area. If it does continue for the next few days, right, it has to continue, we need to see this stock at least trade sideways for at least a few days in this box, right? Let me redo this. This is no bueno. Anyways, we have to see a box forming, right? We need to see this box formation, and it has to trade sideways for at least a few days to feel safe to get in. This would consider at least day one. I would give it 3 days and see where it's going to end, right? RSI did start to go very extreme, and it bounced up today. We do see a nice bounce today. So anyways, MACD and TSI are still pointing down. I need to make this a little bit more dived into for you guys. It's not showing all the levels that I like to use today. I don't know what happened to it, but we are going to bring it all back. Anyways, so let's get right back into the charts here. So what's going on is we need to see this go sideways. We need to see our MACD and TSI start crossing over. Histogram has spiked pretty heavy, and that's because of the last 2 trading days before today was a huge heavy spike, right? We need to see this go a little bit smaller in order to give us a nice sign that it is finally starting to be a good buy, right? Right here, I think as long as it can hold between $16 to $17, I would stay with the trade. I would add on in this trade. I would get in. I'm going to be adding below $17. It did hit 16.95 low today. I was hoping it goes 16.9 or lower today because that's where I bought it last time. And I was like, oh, it's going to go there. I'm going to start adding right below 16.9 like last time, right? But it didn't happen. It's okay. We're just going to give it a few more days, right? I prefer giving it a few more days, at least 2 to 3 days, to see this trade across and sideways before adding anything. If we go to check it out on TipRanks, they're saying the stock is worth at least $20, which I think that's pretty fair for rocket companies. I think that is a fair value for this stock. Now, where are we going to sell this stock? If it holds the $16, $17 area, if it holds, right? Again, we are going to time to sell previous highs, and that would be again around $20 to $21, right? That would be previous high for us. We will be starting to sell around the 20 to 21-ish dollars. That's our sell target. If you want to see what kind of return that is, you just get a nice spike up, and that would be about a 22%-ish return, right? At least a 20% return, right? If it goes to like around 17 to 21 dollars, that's about a 20% return on your money. I will take that any day. As we can see, it started to die heavy. The whole market was pretty bloody, except some few sectors were doing pretty well. But overall, the market was down today. But we do see a few sectors that did close nicely. If we check out on the FinViz map, we can see some of the sectors did have a nice close, right? Especially tech stocks, high powered, your big five techs, or Google, Apple, Microsoft, and Amazon still was leading the way. Of course, Netflix is another one. I was surprised Nvidia didn't close well, but look at that. Your Walmart, Costco, Pepsi, and Coke, huge dividend companies, and of course, real estate did very well. Utility companies did really well today, but overall, banks crushed, financials crushed, medical devices crushed. Some pharmaceuticals did pretty okay. Your telecommunications actually was bullish. I was surprised AT&T closed bullish almost, right? That was really crazy. But your Verizon and T-Mobile did close bullish. Tesla was getting hammered, right? Out of your big five tech sectors, you won't expect Tesla to get hammered, but it did. Anyways, travel still getting crushed. Airlines crushed, right? You might see it's green, but they're still getting crushed. Look at Boeing, RTX, a few of your other space travel stocks. They all got crushed. And let me tell you why I think rocket companies is a good time to start getting in, right? They're about to do earnings coming up in, I believe, September, the first week of September, right? And as we can see, mortgage rates and refinancing has jumped the past few weeks, and they're saying it's already a 20% jump the past few weeks that it's been going up. A lot of people are refinancing their loans, right? Look at the interest rate. The 30-year fixed interest rate did go down, the past month. But it hit a new low again. It was going up. It was above 3% about 2 months ago, and now again it's starting to go back down below 3%. We're getting the 2.875, 2.75, 20 years. They're all moving a little bit up. So they're going down again, right? We see this mortgage fixed rates going down, right? It doesn't make sense that it's going down because we are expecting a lot of inflation, but more refinancing did go through the roof. And of course, Rocket Companies is a refinancing mortgage company pretty much, right? So this is very, very, very good news for Rocket Companies. This will cause the stock to go up massively in earnings if they report some good earnings, right? They should, right? Because refinancing has gone up substantially, and that should be very good news for Rocket Companies. That should bring a lot of good income for Rocket Companies, and we are hoping that this stock does trade sideways for the next few days and hopefully closes bullish the next few days, right? We need a 3-day bullish close to give us a great buy signal and to start adding, all right? I think below 17 is a good starting region to add, all right? As long as it holds, I would continue adding. If it starts breaking 16 and goes below 16, that's maybe a good stop zone. I would put a hard stop there below 16 because it could just dump even harder, right? But I think RSI got pretty extreme here. It was really extreme last time when we got around 16.9. I had a stop loss at 16 again, but it never hit. And fortunately, we got lucky and it kept going up after that. Right? It was like 2-3 days of bearish news here, and then it just spikes right back up, which was great. All right, so we're hoping for the same trade again. We're hoping we can buy under 17 and sell above 20-ish, $21-ish area. So, guys, if you want to do options play, stick tuned. I'm about to go over that. Going to some option plays, I would not do anything less than September 17 option. Make sure you do click buy, call, rocket companies. Any of these is going to be fine to get in, whether it's the $18 or the $19 or the $20 are okay strike prices that I would aim for September calls. Look at the open interest, right? Very well organized. A lot of people are in this. 6,200 open interest, another 4,000, and another 5,000 open interest, right? These are any of these you guys want to get in are okay with me. I would probably go right down into the middle and go for the $19 to be on the safe side. You're not spending too much and you're not spending too little to miss, right? And guess what? You don't have to wait until September 17th to sell these calls, right? That's just retarded for people to do that. Do not hold on to your option for life, right? Just sell it when you start making 10, 20, 50, over 100% return on your profit, right? On your option, right? You have 3 months to 2 months, to make this option work for you. It's only July. We have until September 17th. That's almost 2 months and a few days to get this option moving and make a nice return. Already there was a 20% return on the day, actually, which was okay. All right. So that is your options that I'm going to be recommending if you want to do options. These are the one of the three that I would get in myself. $19 is the one that I would personally want to do for a option play. Thanks again for watching my video. As always, make sure to destroy that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so YouTube could alert you when my next video comes out. Also, guys, feel free to add me on Instagram. I pretty much post there daily, so if you want to be part of that, make sure to add me there. Also, guys, leave a comment below. Let me know what other stocks you'd like me to give you information about, or if you have questions on it, I'd be happy to help you guys out. Leave a comment below, let me know, and I will do my best to answer it, or maybe even make a video on that stock. Also, guys, check out my Patreon page. Come trade with us. Come join us. It is on sale right now for this month. It is a special sale I'm having to have more people join us. So check out the Patreon page. Come join us. Come trade with us and have some fun making some money and return. Also, do not miss out on the promotion going on right now with WeBull, where they're giving 4 free stocks, 2 just for signing up to their platform, and 2 more when you make a deposit of now only $5. They will give you 4 free stocks total, and 2 of those will be valued from $8 all the way up to $2,000. So check the link in the description box below for that. If you want another free stock, of course, FirstTrade gives out pretty good stocks here and there. And finally, we have our Robinhood that gives another free stock. Check for all those links in the description box below. Thanks again for watching my video, and until next time, make money with Mike.